I have printed out the size 32B patterns from Admiral Irene's Black Beauty Bra pattern. Please make sure before you print that you select to print at 100% and not print to fit. And also do check the test square to make sure that you have printed in the correct size before you cut and make use of these paper patterns. I'm choosing to do view A based on the duplex bra kit that I have here with me. Of all these patterns, the upper cup, lower cup, power bar, outer cradle as well as the bridge will be cut in duplex. The back band will be cut in power net.